If you've ever looked up and wondered why the sky is blue, the answer starts with sunlight. Even though sunlight looks white to us, it's actually made up of many colors mixed together. When that light enters Earth's atmosphere, it collides with tiny molecules of gas in the air. Here's the key: different colors of light scatter by different amounts. The sun may look white or slightly yellow, but its light actually contains every color of the rainbow. Together, those colors combine to create the white light that reaches Earth. Blue light has a shorter wavelength than red light, so it gets scattered much more easily in all directions. This process is called Rayleigh scattering. As sunlight travels through the atmosphere, the blue part gets spread out across the sky, which is why the sky appears blue to our eyes. You might ask, if blue is scattered so much, why isn't the sky violet? The answer is that the sun gives off less violet light than blue, and our eyes are more sensitive to blue. On top of that, some violet light is absorbed in the upper atmosphere, so the color we notice most is blue. This also explains why sunsets look red and orange. At sunset, sunlight has to travel through much more atmosphere. By the time it reaches you, most of the blue light has already been scattered away, leaving the reds and oranges behind. So the sky is blue because sunlight is scattered by the atmosphere, and blue light is scattered more than other colors. It's a simple idea with a beautiful result. Every time you look up, you're seeing light being filtered and spread across the air all around us.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed learning something new today, I'd love it if you shared this video with someone else who might enjoy it too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time as we answer another everyday question.